If rushing between work, errands, and after-school activities has you feeling stressed out about what's for dinner every night, listen up. I'm going to share some of my favorite meal planning strategies so you can put joy back into mealtime. To start, use the concept of themes to make meal planning exciting yet easy to plan. Whether it's Pasta Night Mondays, Taco Tuesdays, Make Your Own Pizza Wednesdays, or Slow Cooker Thursdays, each theme provides structure yet versatility. Once meal themes are selected, take inventory of what's in your pantry, fridge, and freezer. If there's a half-pound ground beef in your freezer with a box of pasta and a jar of sauce in your pantry, all you might need to purchase for Pasta Night Monday is a salad kit or bag of frozen veggies. Most importantly, when planning meals, remember one thing: meals don't need to be complicated or formal to be nutritious and satisfying. Breakfast for dinner using your favorite whole grain boxed pancake mix, or make your own sandwich night using a variety of sliced meats and cheeses, breads, and toppings can be simple ways to hit at least 3 different food groups while keeping cost and meal prep time minimal. For recipe inspirations, visit bigY.com. Until next time, be well.